Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Today let us see how to prepare yummy finger licking chicken pickle. So mostly chicken pickle, this is very famous in South India. So today I am going to show you in a simple way. So here I have taken 2 kgs of chicken. So you have to take breast pieces, most of it, and I have taken here 75% of the breast part of the chicken and 25% of the bone part. So wash it nicely and chop it into fine pieces, in the shape of paneer or tofu, and then take a pan and add the chicken into it. Add pinch of turmeric and pinch of salt. Don't add too much of salt, and then dry fry. Do not add any oil, but let the chicken dry fry like this as shown here. Slowly you need to cook it on medium flame. After 5 minutes you can observe the water from the chicken oozes out. Now this is how we need to remove the entire moisture from the chicken. So if you dry fry this properly, then you can increase the shelf life, so it will last for a long time. If the moisture in the chicken remains like that, there is a chance that fungus may form very quickly. So once you are done dry frying the entire chicken, take another pan or the same pan, wash it nicely and add oil to it. Here I have added 500 ml of sesame oil and 250 ml of groundnut oil. This oil adds more flavor to the pickle. If you don't want to prefer this oil, you can add normal oil also. And then add batch wise. Don't overload the chicken or overcook the chicken. So batch wise you need to add dry fried chicken into the oil and fry it nicely on the medium flame. Do not put it on high flame and fry this chicken, because the outer part of the chicken may burn and then it disturbs or distracts, or it may burn and kills the flavor of the chicken pickle. So once you're done frying the chicken, you need to take it aside. You can see the color. Just allow the chicken to fry into a dark golden brown color. You can see this. One more tip is, do not fry the chicken as it turns like rock like texture. It should not be too hard, because once you're preparing the pickle, all the juices won't enter into the chicken properly. So you need to fry it on a moderate flame and not too hard also. So I'm adding another batch here. With one batch I'm done, the other batch I'm adding. While the chicken is frying, on the other hand, I'm frying the spices here. I have taken 50 grams of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, and 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds. This also I'm dry frying this. Do not add any oil into it. Just dry fry it, let it pop, and then cool it for some time and ground it into a nice paste, like a powder like this, and then add chili powder. Here I'm adding 170 milligrams of chili powder for 2 kgs of chicken. This is too spicy. If you don't like that much of spiciness, reduce it. Come down to 120 grams or 100 grams as well. Now I have added just salt here, just 3 spoons. Later again I have added 3 tablespoons again. So totally 6 tablespoons I have added salt here, and put that mixture aside. On the other hand, I have freshly ground this ginger garlic paste. This adds another flavor to it. So add the freshly ground ginger garlic paste prepared at home, add it into the oil and allow all the rawness in the ginger garlic paste go away, and fry it for at least 5 minutes on low flame, not medium flame, low flame, so that the edge of the pan don't burn it. So once your ginger garlic paste is fried nicely in the oil, add the entire chicken which you have fried and stir it for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame, and then turn off the stove. Once you turn off the stove, you can see there is no froth formed on the oil. Now add our chili powder and our spices powder into the pan and then stir nicely. So it's already, you have switched off the stove. So put it aside and allow it to cool for 1 hour or half an hour. And then once it is cooled completely, then add freshly squeezed lemon juice. Here I have added 5 to 6 lemons of juice into it. So add lemon juice into it. That balances the taste. Do not forget to add lemon juice. So once you add lemon juice, allow it to soak for all over or one night, and then later on you can have it, this yummy chicken pickle. I hope you will try it and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section.